1935, world's oldest Airstream. First production serial number 0001, Itasca, 1975. Check it out. Dinette. That got the original brochures. Got Lisa's seat right here. Big dashboard. Apparently it's a Chevrolet chassis. Got your 4-burner cooktop. And I'm not quite sure what that is. Oh, it's an oven. Check that out. Refrigerator. Got the commode, pantry, giant shower. This is pretty cool. The first Itasca. Winnebago no longer makes Itasca. Here's the infamous Winnebago Flying W. 1973. Has every option offered, including a 2500 Onan roof air. It's got the shag look-alike carpet. So it's got a love seat for the passenger. It's got a cool dashboard with a shifter coming right out of the dashboard. Driver's seat. And it's got a bed up here that can be pulled down. Got a dinette that folds down to a bed. Then in the rear, we've got another, like, I guess that would be a couch. Folds down, makes another bed back here. Cabinets above it. Furnace. Dometic fridge. Check out that old lantern. We got our stainless steel stove with a cooktop, little tiny sink. This one's pretty cool. Our Class C was an Itasca. Oh yeah, I just noticed there's the roof air conditioning.
Yeah, it has a shower. It's a shower toilet
combination. Yeah. Check it out. 1948 Ford with 48,661 miles. Last time it was driven, it was in 1990. Okay, the guy that started this dealership, he started renting motorhomes, sort of like this one here. And that's what the sign is. 175 for 3 days or 250 for a week. Plus 10 cents a mile. Yeah, they also have other stuff in here, like a Coca-Cola machine, the old Coca-Cola machine. I don't even know what that is. Do you know what this thing is? Leave me a comment and let me know, because I have no idea. Check out the old phone. It's got diagnostic equipment for working on your car back in the day. Old antique cash register. Snap-on stuff. Socket wrenches and toolbox. These little spouts to put in the oil cans. That's pretty cool. Harley Davidson vending machine. Another cigarettes, 30 cents. This might be like an oil. You crank it, get the oil out, and you fill up your oil jug to put it in your car. Old antique air compressor. Look at that motor. You gotta oil it. Westinghouse. 1946 teardrop. They got old antique gas pumps. 1952 Harley Davidson, restored by Jack's dad. 53 Harley Davidson. Triumph. 1973 Bonneville. 750. Yeah, and they got it done up so like you're outside at a gas station, but you're inside the building. But they got the whole front porch and everything like you just pulled up for gas at the gas station. This place is cool. Oh, check it out. This is one of them high-low campers. You tow it low and it pops up. So this whole thing comes down. You can tow it like sort of like a pop-up, and then you crank it up. And there's the wheel to crank it to get the top to go up. That is so cool. Furnace. Dinette up front. Folds down to the bed. Refrigerator. Stove with cooktop, 3-burner. Sink. Love the yellow color. And then we got the couch in the back here that folds down to a bed. And looks like storage cabinet. And more storage. And I don't like the yellow.
World's oldest Airstream.
Look at that. 1935. World's oldest Airstream. This one's closed up. Hey, it's got a roof air conditioning? That's got to be a heater. Lisa read the sign. Said this same family owned that thing for 81 years. Check this out. Airstream 1935 torpedo plans. This is the blueprints to the 1935 Airstream. Okay, here's the 1962 Airstream. And we can go inside this one. We got our dinette right there with the couch. Got the rear kitchen on this one. We got the stove right there. No above cabinets over here. We just got a shelf up here. You got your sink. Then you got your cabinets up here that they're known for. And then here's our bathroom. Toilet, shower, combination. Yeah, I would imagine that this does pull out and then all those cushions go down, so it's like a big L.
But that lays down and the table goes down, yeah. So you could have one person here and two people there.
You can pack them in like sardines. Okay, 1955 Airstream. Stove, refrigerator, and bathroom have never been used. Wow, this thing didn't get any use. Something's going on there. Look at this old antique Airstream. Propane light. I had one of those in my Scotty. It's pretty cool. You got the viewfinder. There's the stove. It's even got a drawer down at the bottom. Look at this refrigerator. Crazy. It's like household appliances in here. It's got a house sink, style sink. It's nice and big. And you got your twin beds in the back and a couple cabinets. There's the bathroom. Flush toilet. Sink. This thing has a lot of stuff in it that's the same as house type appliances. And there's your iconic curved on the front. They still do it exactly the same today. Okay, leave me a comment if you've ever seen this before. 1970 Avion, which is a sister company of Airstream. But it's a sliding truck camper. I thought it was a fifth wheel at first. Check out the jack stands. Got a refrigerator right here. Door to the what appears to be the bathroom. And this thing's huge for a truck camper. It's got our sink. Stove with an oven. Hood. I guess you step up from here to get up to the bed above. And then you got a huge dinette that folds down, probably makes this into a giant bed. Lots of storage space. And this has got to be the bathroom. Oh yeah. You got your sink, toilet, and in the shower. This whole thing's the shower. And another propane lantern. Very cool. 1976 Argosy. Very similar to an Airstream. Oh, look at that. The Zip D awning. Zip D still in business today. Made by the Airstream company. That's why it looks just like an Airstream. But instead of being all polished, it's actually painted. There you go. You got your couch. It's going to fold down out. Sink. Got your stove, cooktop, Dometic refrigerator. We got another couch that pulls out to a bed. Wardrobe stand. Rear bath on this one. You got the flush toilet. The little arch shower with your handheld shower. And you got your sink. I don't know what's in there. Oh, storage. Oh, and they got the roof air on this one too. It's a Coleman Mach series.
Tolo?
Yes.
Big wheel in the front and it shrinks down?
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
I've never seen that before.
1973 StarCraft pop-up. Very cool. If you've never been in a pop-up, you got your bed that pops out that way. You got another bed that pops out that way. Dinette folds down to another bed. That dinette folds down to another bed. So literally you can pack in like 100 people in one of these things. And then there's your kitchen. And there's usually a portalette potty toilet that comes in these. Check this out. 1966 Kenskill. Largest travel trailer manufacturer at the time. You got an outlet up there. That's for your flat screen. Oh, the bathroom. I like the blue better than the yellow. You got your sink. You got your shower. Commode. Refrigerator up here, which is blue also. This blue sink. Look at that oven and stove combination. And then we got our couch in the back. They got some old antique toys. Folds down to a bed. We got the dinette that folds down to a bed. We got the propane lantern. Look at the woodwork in here. Awesome. This is so great that this place lets you come in here and check this stuff out. That was an awesome tour. Pretty cool. Can't believe this place is free. It's at an RV dealership. They bring you right over here. It's pretty cool. So you should check it out. I'll have a link down in the description so you can find the place. But it's in Amarillo, Texas. Did you have a good time?
I did. So nice you could bring the dogs.
Well, that was a pretty cool stop for free and to bring the dogs in. Pretty awesome place. If you're in Amarillo, definitely check it out. We're gonna get back on the road a little bit further today. Then we'll be stopping for the night. Pull behind camper. It's got the dog bowls on the front. It's got a little vinyl floor inside of it. That's so cool.